So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to go about investing in Stanbic IBTC ETF 30. It's going to be a practical video where I'll be casting my screen so that you see how I go about investing, and I'll be telling you everything you need to know about Stanbic IBTC ETF 30 before you go about investing in this exchange traded fund. So if content like this amazes you, do also hit that subscribe button, because here in Waxfly TV we'll talk about how to go about investing, making some cash for yourself and making some cash online. Just hit that subscribe button so I can be seeing update like this. Now, when it comes to Stanbic IBTC ETF 30, is an exchange traded fund that replicates the Nigerian Stock Exchange 30. Now, Nigerian Stock Exchange 30, it's more like an index that tracks down the 30 top companies in the Nigerian stock market. So all they do is that they track the performance of the top 30 companies in Nigerian stock market, and they do it real time, which means the data is updated every day. Now, what Stanbic IBTC ETF 30 does is that they invest in those 30 companies. So any company that is listed in the Nigerian Stock Exchange 30 is what Stanbic IBTC ETF 30 invests in. And if you're investing in Stanbic IBTC ETF 30, you should be rest assured that your investment is already diversified. Now, when you want to invest in the stock market, you need to go about choosing a particular stock, maybe O&O, you need to choose Nesto, MTN, maybe First Bank, Access Bank, and individual stock. But once you're investing in ETF, diversification is already done to you. An ETF is a collection of various stock in a basket, and you buy a unit of that basket, which means you buy a share of various stock, or more like a fragment of various stock. Now, some of the stock that are listed in this Stanbic IBTC ETF 30 is O&O, Nesto, MTN, Access Bank, Okumo Oil, and other top companies in the Nigerian stock market. So investing in the Stanbic IBTC ETF 30 is one way to diversify your portfolio. In today's video, I invested using AfriInvestor 2.0. Yeah, I would have invested using Stanbic IBTC brokerage company, but I discovered that their registration process has been tedious. I've been trying to reach out to their customer service, and it has been taking me lots of time. So I decided to use AfriInvestor 2.0 to invest in Stanbic IBTC ETF 30. Now I'll be diving onto my screen to show you how I went about investing. And I just got 10 units of this Stanbic IBTC ETF 30 because it's my first time getting Stanbic IBTC ETF 30. Once I see that the stock is doing well, then I'll look forward to getting more stock. Now, how do you get started? If you've created your brokerage account, you need to go onto your brokerage account and you search on the list of stock there if you see Stanbic IBTC ETF 30, because not all brokerage companies have this stock listed in their stocks. So let's go over to AfriInvestor 2.0 and get started investing with Stanbic IBTC ETF 30. So as you can see on my screen, I'll click on stock, then I would come down to putting the name of the stock, that's Stanbic IBTC. So once I put on Stanbic, I can see Stanbic and Stanbic IBTC ETF 30. But if I click on clean it now and put ETF, I'll be seeing list of various ETF. Before, it's not like this on AfriInvestor 2.0. So you can see the list of ETF out there. So now let me click on Stanbic IBTC ETF 30. So after clicking on Stanbic IBTC ETF 30, so when it loads, you can see the information of the stock, 395 naira at the moment. I'll click on buy. After clicking on buy, I'll click on limit order and click on market order. Then I'll click on good for the day for limit period. Then I'll click on 10. I want to just get 10 shares. And once I click on that, you can see the price of 10 shares, that's 3,950. Once I click on buy Stanbic IBTC ETF 30, they'll give me the information about the stock and the money involved, that's 4,421 naira total. I'll click on buy now, and once I buy now, it's going to load, and I'm going to get my Stanbic IBTC ETF 30 in my portfolio. So I have discovered that the stock is highly volatile because of the invest in assets, like the invest in stock, and stock market is highly volatile. So that stock is highly volatile. You can see that it has gotten to like 500 naira, and in less than 1 month it has gotten down to about 300 and something naira. So it's very much volatile. If you want to invest in it, you should bear it in mind that it is highly volatile. You can get a good amount of reward, and you can also lose some amount. So once you're investing in an asset that is highly volatile, you should understand it that you can get high profit, and you can also lose some amount in a short period of time. So that's how to go about investing in Stanbic IBTC ETF 30. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll look forward to replying all your questions. Don't forget to like this video, share it to a friend that wants to get started with investing, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Till next one, peace.